Hello, you. I feel like it's become customary at this point to just make an intro with wet hair because apparently I get the motivation to shoot only on hair wash days. But yeah, this is my first time shooting from home. Room reveal, not really. The obscure stuff that you see is my cupboard, and then just see my sisters. Yeah, it looks bad, I'm aware, but I was a child when I started sticking the random stickers, and then, well, the rest of it's pretty recent. What can I say? So, I'm flying to Mumbai tonight just for like 2 or 3 days to find accommodation. Like, because I'll be living there for 6 months. So, I thought it'll be a fun video to make, kind of chaotic. I have to do packing because I haven't yet started anything, and then just like the traveling part of it. So, also press on nails. This excites me a lot as a hotel management student because we're not allowed to grow our nails. Like this would be not allowed. The whites aren't allowed to be seen. So yay. Also guys, I've got those DPS pants on. They're highly comfy though. They're like fleeced from inside, so they're like very very comfortable. Although since I'm into embarrassing myself, I'll just I'll just show you guys the cupboard that I have. I think I made this when I was in like 10th, and I wrote down my favorite like dialogues and stuff. So that's there, and then a lot of very random stickers from micro SD card to a band-aid and the bottom of a mini soap bottle ka sticker. Crazy motivation. Again, I think I was in 10th when I wrote this, but it still holds true. One of my birthday countdowns. Very obsessed with my birthday. As you can see, it's coming up next month. Also wrote this when I was in like 10th or 9th only. Again, pretty true. These are like old unicorn that I got in a Happy Meal once. This toy that I got from like a toy dispenser outside Hamleys a couple years ago. A Chandler poster, cause again some random. Oh, we used to get these stickers from school for Teachers' Day for 3 rupees. So I have 2 here and a couple inside, like inside the cupboard. So yeah, Matthew Perry, I miss you. This one is a more recent one. It's like a year ago I wrote this, and then a lot of stickers, and then this is where it gets kind of messy. So below this paper I have this vision board that I made in 2020 for 2020, and then my friend like Pranati, you saw her in the previous video, she made me this like routine which I did not follow, but it is full. And there's like I guess a bunch of posters under the Matthew Perry one as well, of like stuff that I outgrew, and at the very bottom there's like a whole thing of stickers like in this area, like below this thing, including a Best Buy sticker from like a pair of shorts that I had. But yeah, that's the chaotic cupboard. Yeah, I was trying to organize the stuff, but then I'm having like terrible cramps, so I'm just gonna nap for a while. It's 3:15 right now. I leave at 10:20, I wanna say. There is time. We'll figure, we'll see. Yeah, I think that looks better. I am due a haircut before the internship starts. For sure, gang, for sure. But I'm so excited. It's like something I've like majorly dreamed about for years. Living in Mumbai, like the Mumbai life. So hi gang. So I forgot to record after I woke up from the nap, and then I got so busy with packing because I had done nothing. And then at about like 10:15 we left for the airport. And also I tried something different with my hair because I got sick of people calling me sir, and I'm like in like great need of a haircut. So So I tried like a middle part, but I just look like Salman Khan from Tere Naam. But at least people aren't calling me sir anymore. So that's nice. And I thought I'll show you guys around T2 because it's like this very exclusive new terminal that's there in Bangalore, and it's like fancy, and it's pretty much like a ghost at the moment because I guess nobody really takes night flights. It's 12:15 right now, and I'm in front of Swarovski, and it looks so cute. It's like powdery blue in color. Aww, it matches my nails if I'm being like same. And yeah, social anxiety is scared of me because this is the first time I'm recording in public, and I like it. I like the weird looks I'm getting, and it's nice. Also, I'm feeling like extremely energetic and happy as hell, which is weird for me because I'm usually not that way at airports at all because I do not enjoy taking flights. But it's Mumbai, you guys. Like, I cannot tell you. It's been my dream since I was like 8-9 years old, like maybe even younger than that. Like, for as long as I can remember, it's been like a dream, like a big goal, like not even a dream, a goal of mine to live in Mumbai. And now that it's so near and it's like starting to feel real, I'm looking for PGs and flats and whatnot. It's like I feel so happy and more grateful. I feel like more than happy, it's like grateful. I don't know. It's like feeling real. I hope it goes well because I've heard a lot of things, and I've seen also that like I feel like Mumbai is like the Indian equivalent of New York. Like, fast-paced life and nobody waits, and you could lose yourself to the hustle, and it's overcrowded and everybody is there, and I think I like it though. I feel like I'll fit right in. And then after college, that's where I want to work. Fingers crossed. No nazar, guys. No nazar, please. Thank you. I'm gonna show you guys the restaurants and dining facilities around because I don't know, they seem kind of cool.
Firstly, there's this place called Johnny Rockets. And no, I don't know how to read Kannada, don't come at me. But yeah, Johnny Rockets. And it's like very American diner themed. I like the themedness of it. Like, it's giving core American diner, the signboard and like the interior and all of it. Then we have the RCB Cafe. Cricket fans, please comment down below. Oh, there's Danis Seth. Wait, where'd he go? That's Danis Seth. And then Kannada, okay, no, it says Gully Kitchen. This seems like a North Indian place. And there's giraffe with 2 giraffes. I think it's a bar and that's so funny. Do not feed the giraffe. Thank you for that. Then we have Jones the Grocer, which I am assuming should be a grocery shop. I hope it is. Okay, it's not. That's misleading. And then there's Tiffin Center, which I believe is one of the only shops in common, like with T1 and T2, because T1 has the shop as well. It's like South Indian breakfast and stuff. And then we have Living Liquids. This is the shit that Manipal people go crazy for. Alcohol. Not me though, gang. Not me. And then we have PF Chang's. I feel like I've heard about this place in Big Bang Theory. I really like the interior. It's giving sophisticated and yeah, just sophisticated. I'm pretty sure this is there in Big Bang Theory. I mean, it is an international branch, but I think it's mentioned in the show as well. And they have a horse as well. That's appreciated. Then there's this place called James Martin Kitchen and Bar, and it has a lot of people. I don't know if that's because it's the closest to like the entrance and the main people, but yeah, the rest of them are all pretty much empty. And then over here there's like other stuff. I'm pretty sure the gates and stuff are that way. And I guess that's basically it for dining. I see Hard Rock Cafe there in the distance. Again, it's like a franchisee, so like, I guess. Ooh, that's Fuzzy Cafe. That's cool. I've heard a lot of good things about Fuzzy Cafe actually, and yeah, it's there in UB City as well. And oh, I love the interiors. It's giving chic. It's so nice. Oh my god, the vibe and the aura. Okay, I love it. Nice. On to the obsession with animals. At entrances, we have elephants. We've had giraffes, horses, and now we have elephants. And I feel almost everybody has put up a Christmas tree because it's just the festive way of things.
And oh, I reached a dead end. Meow. So yes, my loves, I guess this is pretty much it for today's video. I know it's very all over the place, chaotic as hell, but bear with me, thank you. Boarding's gonna be soon, so I'll catch you guys soon as well. I'll try to make a short or two until it's time for the next video, and I'm sorry that I took so long to post this one. I will be more consistent, I promise. And yeah, take care you guys. I'll see you all again very very soon. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe, and comment guys. I'll see you all again in a new video very very soon. Bye bye.